So I picked up some koi from the fish and lily farm, and I'm just about to introduce them into the system in our tank. So I've got Aquaponics tank here. Just putting them in the water. They're just in the water at the moment to acclimatise them to the cold water. Just a few little guys. It's only 3 at the moment. Just 3 koi right here. 2 golds and a little silver one. Just pop them in the water. And there we've got a pump here. 2 air lines to provide air to the into the water, into the tank. Clean actually. Wipe it off a bit. There we go. Get the water going. Okay. Right, there we go. And that just recirculates back around into my aquaponics. Very good. So we'll get this thing. It'll be cold enough by now. So there they go. Some water seeped in. Bit of a change, temperature. A slow change of environment for them. There we go. 1, 2 and 3, almost 3. 1, 2 and 3 are in the tank. There we go. Keep our fingers crossed that all 3 survive. Yeah. Just put a bit of food in there too. Alright, there we go. Just see them going around in the water now. Very tiny. One's going into the little house there. And the other one over here near the rear. Very tiny at the moment. Okay, so here's the other end of the line. I've got my water line runs down the side of the house. And here we have the the vegetables here growing. So you can see here we are. There's a bit of a look. Let's just cover that at the moment, just for the basically was to keep all the leaves out. But so what we've got here, so we've got water running in from the pump there and into the other one here. So this is some new bok choy growing. I've just planted carrots, lots of little carrots in there. Some of the bok choy is going to seed a little bit actually. And then here's the grow bed. So it's volcanic rock, little and a blueberry bush which is just sitting there under the shade at the moment, starting to sprout. Some little baby silver beet, tomatoes which are starting to grow in here, and there's a cauliflower which are just starting to pop up in here now. You can see it's quite a lot. What happens is comes back, goes in through, drains out from here. You can see down the pot, and you'll just see over the back there's the pipes going from the 2 tanks down, back down, heading towards my little tank. There we go. So there's the pipes coming out of the back, and then heading back along and back out and down on the wall. And that's just up on a height, working height. Just a bit of shade cloth. So the shade cloth's purely only there to just stop the leaves coming in the winter at the moment. I've actually had the top of it off to let some sunlight come in over the winter. In summer it gets extremely hot up in here, so this shade cloth's really good for it. And they grow very quickly.